Yeah, hello guys, we are back again with the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 24th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 1606. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Previous one has 27, so this should be a 26 digits. Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 3 is 11, 12, 13, 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 2 is 20, plus 5 is equal to 25. I need 26. Wow, let me check again. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 3 is 11, 12, 14, 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 5 is equal to 26. So I have miscalculated. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number shall I pick? How about the 8 in the last row, the 8 in the row above, so in that row, only place for the 8 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these two boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. One box left for the 4 should be there. Then how about 3, 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Alright. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 9. And look, we have the 1 and the 4 here, so no 1 and the 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. Not easy, this one. Alright. 2, 1. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the one should be here or there. We see here one, no one there, one should be there. Now we have a one there, so this cannot be a one anymore. This should be the one, and this should be a 4. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. And look, we have a 4 here, 4 there. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Mm-hmm. 5, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is no. Those missing numbers are the 5, the 6, and the 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 there, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet, so 1 digit left should be the 5. And 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 6. And look, we have the 5 and the 6 here. So no 5 and the 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. So 1 digit left should be the 3. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1, no 8. And then 4. Let me see. How about the number? The number 8. Yeah. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. I made a mistake, I think, in this column. I need a 2 here. Double 8, Double 8. This is the mistake. So this should be the 1 and a 2. Yeah. 1 and a 2, not 1 and an 8. So we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. This is a 2, and this is a 1, yes. Almost made a mistake, yes. The correction is made on the right time, yes. 2. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, all right. Then 9, 8, 7. Yeah. Yeah. And now, am I stuck? That's the question. Am I stuck? 6, 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7, 7. How about the 9? The 9 should be there. 999. I think I need to mark some boxes, yes. How about these 3 numbers? The 3 is missing. The 7 is missing. 3, 7, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 7 and an 8. So in this box cannot be the 7 and the 8. So one digit left should be the 3. The 7 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 8 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 here. Or there we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. 1 box left in the last column. For the number 6, no 6, we have the 9 is missing. Yes, we have a 9 there. How about these 2 boxes in this column for the numbers 5 and 6? Yeah, 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. Let me mark them. 3 and a 7. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 5. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 9. 4 and the 9 we see here. So 1 digit left should be the 7. So these two numbers should be the 4 and the 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. We have 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these two numbers in this row for the numbers 7 and 3? Let me mark them 7 and 3. And the last row we have two numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. One box left in the second row for the number 5. No, 5 we have. 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 7. One box left in the third column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them. How about 1 and a 4? Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so in the column between. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. Can I fill this yet? No, cannot. That's strange. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. Second column, the 1, the 4, and the 7. 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this row. So this cannot be 1 or 4. So 1 digit left should be the 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be a 9. Now we have a 7 there. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 1. 1 digit left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes and there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 1 and the 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. A lot of thinking. Made almost a mistake here. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. I will continue with a 3 stars Sudoku. So see you then. Bye bye for now.